through on how to check your Google Classroom environment. First of all, I'm going to make sure I'm signed out of all my personal Google accounts. Failing to do so will prevent you from being able to access Google Classroom. So if I click in the upper right-hand corner where it has my account information, I can see that I'm signed into my gmail.com account, and that is not my eriemason.k12.mi.us account. So then I'm going to go ahead and click on Sign Out. Then Continue and Sign In. From here, I can say Use an account and type in my first name, last name at eriemason.k12.mi.us. For example, if my name was John Doe, I would type in John Doe at eriemason.k12.mi.us and then click Next. From here, it's going to ask me to pick an account if I've already signed in before. Now, if I have a brother or sister, their name might appear here. So I'm going to want to click on the three dots and say Forget. And then from here, I can type in my username again. First name, last name at eriemason.k12.mi.us. This is to make sure my account is secured and people from other countries can't hack into my account. And then click Next. It's going to ask me for my password again. After I enter my password in, it's going to ask me if I want to stay signed in. Since other people might be using this computer, I'm going to say no. It may ask you to verify if this account is yours. I can see first name, last name at eriemason.k12.mi.us is in fact my email. So I'm going to say Continue. But if my brother's or sister's email might be in there, I would change that. Now, I can go to Google Classroom. If I wanted to go to my email, I could also click on the waffle icon and scroll down and click on Email. This will take me directly into my inbox. And from here, I can choose either my focused inbox or my other. Oh, I can see I have an invitation to one of my Google Classrooms. If I click on that email, I can now click on Join, or if I'm in the Google Classroom environment, just click on the link. Thanks for watching.